The return of Jesus Christ marks not only the fulfillment of God's redemptive plan for humanity, but also the renewal and restoration of the entire creation. The Bible speaks of a future time when Christ will return to establish his kingdom, and all things, heaven, earth, and humanity will be made new. This lesson aims to help Christians deepen their understanding of what the world will be like after Christ's return, exploring the biblical vision for a renewed and restored earth. All right, so let's get into part 2 of the renewal and restoration of the earth at Christ's return. And in part 2, we're going to be focusing on the new heaven and new earth. We're going to learn a lot more about what that's going to look like. All right, let's begin. The Bible provides us with vivid imagery and descriptions of the new heaven and new earth, giving believers a glimpse of what the world will be like when Christ returns to renew and restore it. A world without pain, suffering, or death. One of the most profound aspects of the renewed creation is that it will be free from the suffering, pain, and death that currently afflicts the world. These effects of the fall will be completely removed in the new creation. No more death or sorrow. In Revelations 21 verse 4, it said, "He will wipe every tear from their eyes. There will be no more death or mourning or crying or pain, for the old order of things has passed away." The insight here is that this passage assures us that in the renewed creation, there will be no more death, sorrow, or pain. The brokenness that characterizes the current world will be replaced by perfect peace and joy as God personally wipes away every tear from his people's eyes. The end of the curse. The curse that entered the world through Adam and Eve's sin, Genesis 3, will be completely reversed in the new creation. The removal of the curse means that all of creation would be free from the effects of sin, decay, and death. The renewal of creation's beauty and harmony. The Bible also speaks of the restored creation as a place of extraordinary beauty and harmony, where the broken relationships between humans, creation, and God are fully restored. Isaiah's vision of the renewed earth includes the restoration of harmony between animals and humans. The imagery of predators and prey living peacefully together reflects the perfect peace, shalom, that God will characterize in the new earth. There will be no more violence, fear, or hostility in this restored creation. In Isaiah chapter 11, verses 6 through 9, the wolf will live with the lamb. The leopard will lie down with the goat. The calf and the lion and the yearling together, and a little child will lead them. They will neither harm nor destroy on all my holy mountain, for the earth will be filled with the knowledge of the Lord, as the waters cover the sea. The New Jerusalem, a city of beauty and peace. The New Jerusalem represents the dwelling place of God with his people. This city is described in terms of the beauty and splendor, symbolizing the perfect unity between God and humanity. In the renewed earth, God's presence will be fully experienced. and his glory will fill the world. We find this in Revelation 21, verses 2 through 3. I saw the holy city, the new Jerusalem, coming down out of the heaven from God, prepared as a bride beautifully dressed for her husband. And I heard a loud voice from the throne saying, Look, God's dwelling place is now among the people, and he will dwell with them. They will be his people, and God himself will be with them and be their God. I don't know about you, but that gives me so much peace and joy. I personally know this world could be a better place if more of us had a clean heart. So I look forward to the day that the Lord restores this earth. And I pray that I will be among those people. You know, the Bible tells us that through Christ, we are renewed and restored. And sin is something that we have to fight in the day-to-day. But I hope a message like this gives you the strength and the peace to follow through even in the tough times, to adhere to God's will, and know that one day you will experience the true peace that God intended for the earth. Thank you for tuning into this lesson, and I hope it was helpful. If you want to dig deeper and get a little bit more personal insight to how this lesson can apply to you, join us in our Faithful Wellness community. The link will either be below the video, or you'll see a link, depending on where you view this, to where you can enter our community. Look forward to seeing you there.